Forget everything you thought you knew about motocross, because the 2026 Yamaha YZ450F just changed the game. With a completely redesigned frame and a beastly 450 cubic centimeters DOHC engine, this bike isn't just fast, it's ferocious. Lighter, sharper, and more responsive than ever, the YZ450F features a reversed cylinder head, titanium valves, and a tri-shaft transmission layout for maximum compact power. The new KYB shock and updated fork settings offer race-winning comfort and insane bump absorption. And with a hydraulic clutch now standard, smoother feathering and consistent control are right at your fingertips. Tune it all on the fly with Yamaha's industry-leading Power Tuner app. Adjust traction control, launch control, and fuel mapping right from your phone. Plus, with the world's first ECU lock function, your engine only starts when you say so. From the aggressive new styling to the honeycomb seat material and optimized rider triangle, this bike is built to win. Starting at $10,299, the 2026 YZ450F is more than a motocross machine. It's your ticket to domination. Ride harder. Ride smarter. This is the new era of motocross, only from Yamaha.